Electricity. The discovery and understanding of electricity cannot be attributed to a single individual. Rather, it was a cumulative effect over many centuries by numerous scientists and inventors. However, the key contributions and milestones in the development of electricity can be traced back to several notable figures. One of the earliest observations of electricity dates back to ancient Greece, where the Greek philosopher Thales of Miletus, circa 600 BCE, discovered that ampere, when rubbed with fur, could attract lightweight objects. This phenomenon, known as static electricity, laid the foundation for further exploration. In the 17th and 18th centuries, several scientists made significant discoveries related to electricity. Benjamin Franklin, an American polymath, conducted extensive experiments and is famous for his kite experiment in 1752, which helped establish the connection between lightning and electricity. His work on the nature of electric charge and his invention of the lightning rod contributed greatly to our understanding of electricity. Another pivotal figure in the development of electricity was Alessandro Volta, an Italian physicist. In 1800, he invented the first electric battery known as the Voltaic pulse, which was capable of producing a continuous flow of electric current. This invention was a significant breakthrough and led to further advancement in the fields. Michael Faraday, an English scientist, played a crucial role in the understanding of electromagnetism in the early 19th century. Through his experiments and discoveries, he established the principles of electromagnetic induction and electromagnetic rotation, laying the foundation for electric generators and motors. The development of electricity as a practical power source owes much to Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla. Edison, an American inventor, is renowned for his work on direct current (DC) electrical systems, including the invention of the practical incandescent light bulb and the establishment of the first electric power distribution network. Tesla, a Serbian American inventor, made significant contributions to the alternating current (AC) electrical systems and pioneered the development of AC generators and transformers, which are widely used in power transmission and distribution today. While these individuals made groundbreaking contribution to the understanding and application of electricity, it is important to recognize that many others, including scientists, engineers, and inventors from various cultures and time periods, also played vital role in shaping our understanding and harnessing the power of electricity. This shows the hard work in developing and inventing electricity. So I request everyone to not waste electricity unnecessarily. Hope you like this video. Request you to subscribe our channel and share this content to various others who can just get benefited. Thank you. Have a nice day, buddies.